So hopefully by now you've drawn your little structure. So the thing that I want you to notice here is you've got some of this is below the horizon line. So the stuff below the horizon line, you're going to see the top and you're going to end up seeing the side of your sides. You've got something that is on the horizon line, so you might just see the side on some of this, and then this you're going to see the side and you're going to see the bottom because it is above the horizon line. So there's not one really good place to start. I usually kind of start from the bottom and work my way to the top, but it's really up to you guys. So just like with our stairs, what you'll end up doing is just keep in mind that all of your little corners, and if it makes you feel a little bit better, you can, put little dots on your corners that are going towards your vanishing point. You could go ahead and do that. I'm just going to do that in that one little section, but like I said, you do not have to do that. Main thing with this is you want to make sure that you're showing your work. You want to make sure that your ruler lines up with the corner right here and then that vanishing point here. And you're going to take it and you're going to draw this to the vanishing point. Now, what I ended up doing, you see there's a solid line right here, and then it kind of gets a little bit broken as you go. So I've got like little broken guidelines that I'm going to keep right here. So definitely keep your guidelines going to that vanishing point. So I'm drawing my top of my box. I'm going to do the same thing here on this little side and taking this little thing to the vanishing point. And then you see there's got to be a little side to this thing. Okay, so I've got my little side drawn. You don't see, where this thing ends or anything like that yet, but you will eventually as we go there. So the next thing that we're going to do here is we're going to draw this little section. So this is the front, the side, and you can kind of see this is kind of like a bottom area of a step where you might stand before you step up. So you really don't need anything else here, but you are going to need a line right here going to your vanishing point. You're only going to see the top of this thing here. So I'm going to line this up. I'm going to take that to my vanishing point. It's almost touching this little area, so that can be a little bit confusing. So what we're going to do, we're going to take care of this area, which is below our horizon line. So let's go for that. I've got a corner here. I've got a corner here. I've got a corner here and a corner here. And I tell you, this is so close to that vanishing point, you're not going to be able to see a side right there. It's almost lined up perfectly with that vanishing point there, but you will see something here. So we're going to start at this top one right here. And we're going to take that to the vanishing point. We're going to take this little stair step to our vanishing point there. We're going to line that up and take that there. And then we're going to take that here. All right, so what I'm going to do on this one, I'm going to stop this video, and then we're going to talk about going from here to up here, how you do that.